Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to save your favorite restaurant in the Grab app. We're in the Grab app. To save your favorite restaurant, open up your Grab app, then scroll down and choose which one of your restaurant you like to save or add as favorite. For example, right now I'm going to choose Gary's Grill restaurant and I'm going to choose that. Then scroll down a little bit and wait until the three dots on the top corner appear. And once you see that, click on it and then click on add to favorites. Once you add it to favorite, to see what are your favorite or what did you add to your Grab favorites, just go back, and once you're back, just click on account right here, then scroll down to general, and when you're in general you will see favorites, and when you're at your favorites, just click on your favorites, and right here you will see all the restaurant that you saved and added to your favorite. So here are what I added and saved. As you can see right now, there you go. There's Gary Grill's restaurant. I hope you liked the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.